Hi everybody! So I'm here to actually talk about lips brightening. There are multiple reasons that causes lips darkening that you should encounter first. Firstly is the sun exposure. So when you're exposed to excessive sun, you increase the melanin production and causes darkening effect. Next is smoking. When you smoke, you actually shrink the blood vessel and reduces the circulation in your lips, which eventually leads to darkening. And surprisingly, dehydration and poor oral hygiene can also cause lip darkening. Next is lip habitual, meaning multiple times of lip smirking and lip biting can also increase the creases over your lip and leads to lip darkening. Please avoid drinks that causes dehydration, such as caffeine-contained fluids, whereby caffeine can actually cause us diuresis and promote to dehydration and eventually causing darkening. Medical conditions such as iron deficiency, allergic reaction, and recent infection of your lip region can also lead to darkening. I'm here to help you encounter this problem to achieve a brighter and a luscious lip. First, you can keep moisturizing your lip by using petroleum jelly or any lip balm. Frequent exfoliation of your lip can also help you to achieve a brighter lip. By using a brittle toothbrush or a lip scrub, you may benefit from it. And remember, lip has a sun protection as well, so you can use lip balm that contains SPF protection. Other modalities are such as laser treatments, chemical peel, and topical product that contains vitamin C, vitamin A can also help you to achieve a brighter lip. For further inquiries, don't hesitate to visit our GLOJAS.